I want to like sit around a fire with this guy and drink whiskey and just
seriously
and just listen to hamburger history.
By the time I would be done, you'd be wasted.
Whether problem-solving in Bon Appetit's test kitchen or crabbing in the Alaskan wilderness, Brad Leone's blooper-filled, fish-out-of-water culinary explorations are extremely lovable. So in the spirit of broadening our horizons, I invited the host of It's Alive to spend an afternoon at burger scholar George Motz's house to learn about the history of 3 classic regional burger styles. Brad,
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the Burger
Thank you.
Show.
Thanks for having me.
I'm so excited to introduce you to my man, George Motz.
George, how are you, man?
Good to meet you. Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Whenever I come here, I find out about the regionality of burgers, and I didn't even know that even existed.
Well, good. Let's learn. I like a little education with my food, and I like, especially I sound like a little history of it.
I'm deeply into it.
You could seriously ask him about anything burger,
And
he'll have an answer.
All right, that's fun.
No, seriously, ask him.
I will.
No, ask him.
I don't have a question right now.
My job is to protect the American hamburger. I truly feel like I'm like I'm a bit of a pioneer.
Scholar and a defender.
Very important job.
Important job. I really do take it very seriously. We're about to go on a regional adventure. The 3 burgers today are going to be the Jersey burger, the bierock, which is from Kansas, Nebraska, and the Beanburger from San Antonio.
Let's get started.
You're from Jersey. Obviously.
Yes, sir.
So New Jersey has a lot of diners,
Yeah.
obviously, right?
It's
The diner
Greeks,
culture
man.
is alive
Tip of
as
the hat
well
to the
there,
Greeks.
right? And a lot of these diners, especially the hamburger diners, the small counters, they do make sliders. They still make traditional American sliders. The slider's based on method,
All right, I like that.
not on size.
Not just 3 little stupid meatballs on a bad brioche bun.
Right, that's a mini burger,
Pass at
which
a
makes
wedding.
me totally crazy because a mini burger is not a slider.
All right, a
Okay.
lot of confusion out there. I can
No,
see why
okay.
you're protecting the heritage
I
of the
get
burger.
I get very angry.
This is a
People
very
start
important
calling
thing.
Mini burgers never taste good.
Micrograins.
Never taste
Well,
good.
real quick, why
Back
do
in
they
my
call it a
day,
slider?
They would take a porcelain plate, they put the burger on top of that, and they would literally slide it down the counter. And that's how it became known as a slider.
Slider coming at you.
Give me a slider.
Oh.
Came down the counter, yeah. I love
I
it.
want to like sit around a fire with this guy and drink whiskey
Seriously.
and just listen to hamburger history.
By the time I would be done, you'd be wasted. This is a little bigger. A slider would be like 1.5 ounces. This is a 3-ounce slider. Well, I'm gonna put some onions in there. So normally we do, you take some thin sliced Vidalia onion.
Oh, look at you, huh? Steam them out right on there.
Just go right in there, because they all sort of be part of
Basted
the,
in onion juice.
Because the most important part is to actually press the thing. So we're gonna make this.
Smashula.
Yep. Yeah, it's
That
just
freaking thing.
That's his thing.
Yeah, I
my
see
thing. I don't
that.
sell them anymore.
No, sold out, huh?
Sold out.
Collector's
Working
item.
on it, working on
I'll get you one, 10 grand, email me. What do you got there, a little Taylor ham, huh?
it. So good old Taylor pork roll.
Jerseying it up
call it
here.
Taylor ham or Taylor pork roll? I think
Yeah,
it's a
well,
New
no,
York sound,
it's,
right?
no, so Taylor ham.
Yeah, what is
Where
it?
I come from, no one would ever call it pork roll.
Okay.
Like, that's like you get closer down to them Philly folks and stuff.
Yo ho ho.
That's nice, that's
There you
perfect.
go. So, but that's the thing. Why would you do that?
If we didn't, it would cup up like a pepperoni. American cheese. See, that's where I would have maybe, I think that is very what everyone would do
Yeah.
in New Jersey. I'm not a huge American cheese fan.
No?
What?
I feel like it's the undisputed king of cheeses for
It's
burgers.
pissed me off forever. You know, American's cheese. I didn't have a say in this.
Guess what? It was invented by a Canadian.
Of course it
Did you know that?
was.
Did you know that?
Oh my
It's like-
God!
It was.
Every time I come here,
Shame.
everything I believe is
Invented
American
by a Canadian.
is
There you go.
Canadian.
You actually have the bun is on top of the nearly finished product, so it actually is there steaming.
Steaming up, getting
Yeah,
that
it's got all
nice.
that oof.
Oh, right on the Taylor ham. That's good.
Yeah. So a friend of mine in Jersey, Rich Belfer, says he invented this.
Well, just have you guys watch me. I feel like we should.
No,
like,
no,
clean.
yeah, let's.
But this for you guys. I've already had a few today. I'm just kidding.
Oh, let's see.
It actually goes together really well.
No, it's great.
Like the mixture, I wouldn't, and I like that it's not a big thing of meat. Like I don't
Yeah.
want no 3/4 pound hamburger patty. I'd rather
Yeah.
have 2
Yeah.
than one big one.
This is like throwing a piece of Spam
Yeah.
in your burger.
Very similar.
It's so
Really?
good.
Yeah.
It doesn't even need anything.
That's
No.
it.
Yeah.
Grease is a condiment.
Yeah, I can't find a great diner in New York. They're all in Jersey for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know. It was back. I guess we need someone. We need a diner history guy, George's cousin or
Well,
something.
I'll say-
George probably has the answer.
People from New Jersey hold on to tradition more than any place else in the tri-state area.
tradition.
They love tradition.
Gotta have it.
So
Yeah.
because of that, diners cannot go away. I mean, people need those things to basically subsist.
And
Right,
the
right.
whole
Yeah.
lingo of it's pretty rad.
Lingo, yeah.
Well, Jersey people have their own lingo, period.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Well, let's play a little game, shall we?
Yeah, I love games, man.
This is a game I want to call How Jersey Are You?
Oh, God. Oh, he's got cards. What's on the cards?
Yeah.
Oh, my God, they're burger show cards. Question 1, I'm ready.
All right. What is the boss?
The musician, Bruce Springsteen.
Correct. But is Bon Jovi?
You said the boss. We didn't say Bon Jovi. We didn't say,
Can we even mention that in the same breath?
my mom, she's probably in the stands, jumping around and shit, but Bon Jovi's not really my thing.
All right. Next question. What is a Benny?
Benny?
Yeah.
That's someone who, that would be like if you went to the Jersey Shore.
Facts. Yes. What does jabooch mean?
Jabooch? I don't know if it's offensive or I don't know its origins. I might lose my job. I'm not sure. Jabooch, it's just like someone who's like lazy and klutzy and kind of in the way. Like you're being a jabooch, get out of the way.
Oh, I fucking love that. There's a lot of those guys in my kitchen. What is a gabagool?
Gabagool? I think it's like capicola. It's a
Facts. That's what it's like. I'm telling you. Congratulations, you're very
I made
Jersey.
it.
You're
All
very
right.
Jersey.
We get to do another burger.
He's moved on to the next one.
Checks out.
the next burger.
We're going to feed him now. We're going to Kansas now. Kansas, Nebraska.
All right, I like Nebraska.
All
It's
right.
a regional specialty that you actually can't really buy in restaurants at all. This is something you can really only buy or you can actually find at like a church function.
A church function.
Yeah.
right.
Because it's old school. This is an old school thing about it. You're probably looking going like, what the hell is going on here? Right?
Yeah, we ditched the griddle.
No griddle.
No patties.
Martin's is gone. We still got our Canadian cheese. And we got some dough.
The pizza
That's
cutter.
right.
I like where this is going.
Yeah. So
We're making
dough.
pizza.
We're making something that actually predates the American hamburger by a few decades.
Oh, wow.
The bierock.
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 Where is this from?
It all started in 18th century Russia when German farmers settled along the banks of the Volga River. These Volga Germans adapted a Russian pierogi to create the bierock, a dough-filled pocket filled with beef, onions, and cabbage that farmhands could stuff into their pockets. Variations on this handheld snack can be found all around the world, from the Cornish pasty to the empanada, even the hot pocket. As the political climate shifted in Russia, Volga Germans eventually migrated to the United States, spreading the bierock to the Great Plains, where it became a regional icon. This is just very stretchy dough, that's all it is.
Cool.
Also known as pizza dough. Very simply, square some stuff off here. Okay, all right, gonna cut it in quarters.
Yeah, a little foldy fold.
Yeah, foldy fold. You gets baked and that's it.
In
We have
Nebraska,
some
man.
Movie magic here.
We didn't have this.
There it is.
Calzone is also in the calzone family.
Little calzone.
Empanada. It's a burger. I think it's not a burger. It's actually, but it's in the burger family for sure. It's in the burger family for sure.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, sir.
See that perfect bite right there? It's,
There you go.
I'm not hating on this.
No, it's
at all.
delicious.
It's pretty damn good.
Are you kidding me? I could eat 25 of those.
The definition of a burger to me right now is starting to get like it's a little
Yeah.
skewed.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, to me, that's a burger, but it's also a dumpling.
By definition, a burger has to be ground beef cooked somehow, served on bread, and that's it.
I agree.
Yeah.
I'm into that.
So everything that we've learned so far,
Yes.
and you've had guests at your house,
Yeah.
would you make them the bierock burger?
I would, but I don't think I'd call it a burger.
I'd definitely make one
Just
of
I
those.
wouldn't call it a burger either.
It's cool if you do,
It's in the
man.
burger family. It's like a distant, weird cousin of the burger. In the family, but kind of not really in the family.
But it's fun though. He gets a glass of wine in him,
That's
and the
fair.
stories come out.
It's fair.
Great at Thanksgiving. Texas is very well represented in my book, Hamburger America, because there's so much hamburger activity going on in Texas. And then you go to San Antonio, and there's the hyper-regional Beanburger.
You can't beat that flat top though, huh? When it comes to
Best.
making a burger, it
Best.
really is the best.
Well, actually cooking in its own fat.
yeah.
That's really the beauty of this thing. You know, we have to put Fritos on.
Just right on the bun.
first. It goes on the bottom bun.
So Texas, huh?
Now the most important part, the refried beans.
Yeah, that's what
Now,
I'm excited
I love
about. I love the idea of good refried beans.
I make
on
my
a
own
burger.
refried beans. You have to make your own refried beans.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
for you.
You have to use,
Definitely,
you have to
that's
use
a skill
lard.
you need to know how
Yeah,
to
gotta have some animal fat
Gotta
in it.
use lard for sure. Yeah.
So good.
This is straight up cheese.
And they
pieces.
put it on top of this. See, if I was at home, I'd be like, Audible, we're putting that on the chips.
That's actually
Oh,
probably.
yeah,
Ooh.
keeping it
You know?
stick together.
And some raw onions on top. Sorry.
I like raw onions.
Little crunch
How
to go
about
with your
that,
crunch.
Look at that. That's not messy.
No, that's not messy though.
That's not gonna get all over the place. Nah,
Look at that.
San Antonio.
Good luck trying to eat this thing.
do it.
That's like some stoner burger right there.
Those chips and
Yeah.
the onions drive it home.
Yeah,
I
it's
need
true.
it.
Yeah.
They drive it home for me.
Brings any texture to it.
Right.
Yeah, it's a good combo.
But the beef fat drips onto these
Yeah.
Fritos.
Yeah.
And
Like
almost
semi-sogs them a little,
Yeah.
but in like the best way.
pretty
Yeah.
damn good.
What would you say was your favorite of all the three?
Ooh, I think I'm gonna go with the Taylor ham.
The
Jersey.
Jersey burger.
I'm going with the Jersey too.
Yeah,
there was
it's
some.
freaking good,
It
bro.
was, and maybe it was
Yeah.
because the first one.
Yeah.
You know, I was starving, but not. It was.
No, but it was like
tasty.
It was tasty. It was fragrant.
Yeah.
Like
It had
has
the onion that like
yeah.
steamed out and got crispy.
the saltiness of the pork.
But not
Definitely
to
a favorite.
deviate from the simple answer, but I would probably eat more of the weird Nebraska burger.
Yeah, the bierock.
The bierock, yeah.
Yeah.
Surprisingly awesome.
I'd probably eat a couple of those, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Really getting into this regional, or what are you calling it, when it's just to a city?
Hyper-regional.
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 That's why I love coming here, George. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, this was awesome,
Seriously.
man.
Coming. Thanks.
Brad,
Now I'm craving burgers, yeah.
That was
Thanks,
fun.
man. Thanks for
Thanks for-
having
thanks
me.
for
That was
being
a lot
here,
of
Brad.
fun.
George.
Thanks, Alvin.
Thanks for being nice to Jersey, too.
There's still more to do. I mean, there's so much more out there. It's mind-blowing.
That's why I come.
Job security.
This is. What's up, everybody? It's Alvin Kylan of The Burger Show. Make sure you turn on your notifications, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.